Hello, my friends. How are you doing? Thank you very much for being the most amazing community ever. As you know, I have been some days in London for the VidCon, and I have learned a lot about how to be a better YouTuber. And one of the things I've learned is that I want to move away from Reddit, and I have created a Facebook group which is called Olivio Tutorial Super Fan Community, because this is about us. It sounds very exclusive, but everybody who watches my channel can of course join. I want to connect more to you, so I will also bring exclusive content just for the group. For example, live streams where we can talk eye to eye about things that interest us, about questions, about suggestions of topics, all these kind of things. Finally, I can really do reviews of pictures, because in the comments I also can post pictures which on Reddit you cannot do, and we can do polls, we can do a lot of cool things where we connect with each other. I am really looking forward to this. I really hope you join. Let's connect, let's share. And another thing I want to point out here is the community should be self-sustained. So please take the freedom and answer questions of other users if you can, if you know the solution to that. Be helpful to each other. If we can create something together, there's a lot of things I don't know myself, so I also want to learn from you, and I'm very much looking forward to that. So join today, it's completely free, and I'm looking forward to see you there. Bye.